Cooking is more than just preparing meals. It's a creative expression that deserves the best tools to achieve perfection. If you're on the hunt for cookware that balances durability, functionality, and health-conscious cooking, look no further than this FNT carbon steel wok pan with double spouts. This innovative wok combines traditional craftsmanship with modern features to meet the demands of home cooks and professional chefs alike. What sets this wok apart is its commitment to safety and quality. Made with black carbon steel and enhanced through knit writing technology, it guarantees toxin-free cooking without compromising performance. The ergonomic design ensures comfort, while unique double spouts provide precision in your culinary creations. Whether you're stir-frying crispy vegetables, searing juicy meats, or simmering flavorful broths, this wok offers a seamless experience. But is it worth the investment? Let's dive into its features, performance, and why it might just become your most reliable kitchen companion. Why you should buy it. If you're looking for a healthy, versatile, and durable wok that enhances your cooking experience, the FNT carbon steel wok is a fantastic choice. Its innovative features like double spouts, honeycomb durability, and ergonomic handles set it apart from standard cookware. Why the FNT carbon steel wok stands out. 1. Safe and healthy cookware. Crafted from black carbon steel, the FNT wok utilizes advanced knit writing technology, making it free from toxic chemicals like Teflon. This means no harmful substances are released even during high-temperature cooking. The wok's surface is naturally non-stick and provides iron enrichment, adding nutritional value to your meals. 2. Ergonomically designed handle. Comfort and functionality meet in the wok's dual auxiliary handles. These provide stability and support, minimizing wrist strain while handling heavy dishes. The detachable wooden handle makes the wok oven safe, while the hanging loop feature ensures space-saving storage. 3. Durable honeycomb structure. The wok's honeycomb design offers high-temperature stability and resistance to wear and tear. Unlike traditional woks, it resists scratches from metal utensils, ensuring longevity and maintaining its aesthetic appeal. 4. Double V-shaped spouts for precision. Unique double spouts make pouring sauces or soups mess-free and precise. Whether you're left-handed or right-handed, these ergonomic spouts provide unmatched convenience. 5. Multifunctionality. From stir-frying and boiling to stewing and frying, this wok can handle it all. Its flat-bottom design ensures even heating on gas, electric, and induction stovetops, offering unparalleled versatility. Key specifications. Material: black carbon steel. Size: 11.8 inches wide, 3 inches deep. Handles: wooden and steel with a detachable design. Weight: lightweight for easy handling. Performance in the kitchen. Cooking with the FNT carbon steel wok is a delight. Its quick heat conduction ensures even cooking, reducing preparation time. The ergonomic handle stays cool, offering comfort during prolonged use. Whether you're searing vegetables, stir-frying noodles, or simmering a flavorful broth, this wok consistently delivers outstanding results. The double spouts are a game-changer, allowing effortless pouring without spills. This feature is particularly useful for making dishes that require delicate sauce drizzles or precise liquid measurements. Durability and maintenance. The honeycomb structure resists damage from daily use, including scratches from metal utensils. To maintain its non-stick properties, occasional seasoning is recommended. Cleaning is straightforward. A simple rinse with warm water and a soft sponge keeps the wok pristine. Avoid using abrasive cleaners to preserve the wok's finish. Conclusion? The FNT carbon steel wok pan with double spouts is more than just a kitchen tool. It's a game changer for anyone who values quality and performance in their cookware. Its non-toxic materials ensure healthy cooking, while the durable honeycomb structure and even heat distribution make it a versatile choice for a wide range of culinary tasks. The double spouts and ergonomic handle provide practicality and ease of use, catering to cooks of all skill levels. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook looking to up your game, this wok delivers on every front. Its ability to adapt to various cooking styles, combined with its durability and user-friendly design, makes it an essential addition to your kitchen. Ready to experience hassle-free, efficient cooking? Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and make this exceptional wok yours today. Your culinary adventures will never be the same. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.